Long run kami guys sa beach. Start.
Waidaan ano? Wala panding.
Guys, 5 kilometers. Saka guys. Okay. Okay guys, so 8.3 kilometers. Okay guys.
Solid
Solid
work.
workout.
Solid work.
Let's go. Let's stretch guys. Hello. Done na guys. 21k. Let's go. Easy. Oh.
On it.
There's a speed in. YouTube now. So siya.
How is she doing?
Gotta say something, mate.
Keisha, your dad is forcing me to do this.
Oh, you went there? Para ka sa Pilipinas. Pedestrian lane. Hello guys. Gym ta guys. Mawalk ta mga 2 kilometers.
I sing hallelujah, I'll be able to speak at all I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine.
Kaunta na guys. Hello guys. Watak subok. So guys, 2 kilometers na walk. Ayan. Ano yun, guys? Let's go. Hi mate. What's going? I'm going to Westville Mall. I had to apply there. Just drink my tea and then just roaming around.
Lower pa. Nice.
It's good mga idol. So 2 weeks na tayo dito sa Australia. So medyo nanibago tayo sa weather. So yung hangin dito guys maginaw kahit mainit. So nag-adjust tayo sa takbo natin. Nag-list tayo yung madry yung pawis natin guys. So first week takbo-takbo lang, then second week hanap ako ng gym. So far nakahanap ako ng gym na medyo mura siya. And tuloy-tuloy na naman yung exercise natin while we are looking na trabaho, no? Hindi pa rin mawawala yung exercise guys. Kasi sa system na natin. Kaya nahanap ako ng gym last time kasi nanghihina na ako guys. No? Takbo lang ng takbo. So thank God nakapag-gym tayo. Hopefully makahanap natin ng trabaho para maging stable tayo dito guys. God bless. Thank you. Saka yung mga idol, so grabe dito ang weather sa Australia. Diyan na tayo guys. Hintay naman tayo ng bus. Hello. Thank you. Yung natutunan ko dito sa Australia is they are very courteous, they are very kind, no? Mostly guys, no? Kahit na ako yung may sala, sila pa yung magsusorry, yung ganun. So ito yung na-adapt ko dito guys, no? So but anyway, hopefully lahat naka-exercise guys, no? Very important kasi yung alagaan natin yung sarili natin guys. We call it me time guys. Kahit saan man tayo, kailangan talaga guys talagaan. We do kahit mag-exercise, takbo, mag-gym, kahit mag-exercise guys. At the end of the day, tayo lang makasalba sa sarili natin guys. So, patayin na mga idol. Kamusta kayo mga idol? So, today, it's around 1 PM. So, mag-warm up tayo. Punta tayo ng gym muna. So 2 kilometers na run. Tapos mag-legs tayo. Lower body strengthening. Tapos after that, mag 5K na easy run na tayo guys. Let's go. Ginaw guys. Maginaw. Mga 20 kilometers guys. Ganda ng weather guys. So tapos na tayo sa weight training. Mag 5K lang tayo guys, easy run. Let's go. Done guys. Let's go. Yun, what's good mga idol? So mag-gym tayo today. So rest muna. Hanap tayong trabaho kanina through online. So pool tayo today, pool day. Walking tayo punta ng gym. Let's dito nag-stop na ako magkape. Kasi nagsistruggle ako when I was still in the Philippines. Gusto ko talaga mag-stop magkape guys. Kasi grabe ko, very addicted ako sa kape. So mga 4 to 5 times a day. So medyo unhealthy na siya. So na-try ko dito. And I was surprised no na hindi sumakit yung ulo ko. Nag-tea lang ako tapos hindi sumakit yung ulo ko. So thank God walang kape na no? Tea na lang. Hopefully yung mata ko naman guys no baka sa weather or ano. First time gimbalas ba? Hello guys. Interba. Tugnaw dia guys. Pacira kami suga guys. Last 1 kilometer. 3 sets. 4:30. Let's go. Fog. Fog na. Gasunaw. Tugnaw na disam. Yun. What's good mga idol? So, punta tayo ng gym today. Hala tayo hanap ng trabaho guys. Medyo almost 3 weeks na tayo. Hindi pa tayo nakahanap ng trabaho. Dami ko nang in-applyan. May tumawag pero need experience daw eh. So, hopefully before this month matapos no may trabaho na tayo guys. So Lord ikaw na bahala. Good evening guys. Good evening Lord. Happy Sabbath. So Lord, thank you again Lord for another day, another blessings. I am almost 3 weeks na. Next Wednesday maybe sa Australia, and thankful kay Lord no in spite of mga struggles here di wala obra, still looking for a job, but hopefully no makakita kita. Just keep on going, keep on praying. Hindi tanan hapos even if I ka na sa Australia. So start pa lang ta. But I know na hindi kita babayan ni Lord. So tomorrow ma-church ta. Thank you ta kay Lord no in spite of the challenges na ginatubang ta every day. Still thankful kay Lord na we are still alive. Okay pa tayo guys no. Magkain pa tayo kahit pa paano. Okay. So again guys, keep moving forward. Padayon lang. God bless. Happy and blessed weekend. Let's go. Let's church na. Good now. Making a video. This is the bus?
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, kita simbahan guys. Good morning.
Hello.
Happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath. Would you like a bulletin?
Yeah, thank you.
Food may nourish us and bless us, and thank you for the hands that prepared it.